The lob to Japet with a new hairstyle and puts in the basket.
And you can see that he ran very quickly once they secured the rebound, so that's very important for them. Ito mong ina-underestimate ang kalaban mo, no? Oh, another one by Brown.
But they're going to school easily right into the hoop. Itong Barangay Ginebra, ilang layup na yan para sa kanila. And Scotty, he's sneaky pa sa may likod. Ahead to Johnson. Johnson left it for Thompson. And Dion will finish with a jam. Still just 2 points though, and that's 8 total para sa kanila. 19 for Ginebra. Coach Tim walks out onto the court. I wonder what he's thinking about as we see this finish from Dion Thompson. Clarito to the basket, just a step ahead of Troy Rosario. And Jonard gets his first 2 points with a chance for another one from the line.
And with that foul, he has a possibility. And team was very mad because I think they practiced that. They're good.
Balik kay RJ. Trying to draw the foul. He made the shot anyway.
Yeah.
He'll take it.
No, somebody's gone.
The Muses for the layup on the other side. Mabilis ang sagot ng ROS.
And team is going to tell Abarientos, no need to complain. You're from the weak side and then make those layups. Nice shot for Linelli.
Well, that's what he does, though. That's his forte.
Yeah, three-point shooting, great passing. 26
This type of game, we're not expecting any blowouts here.
Oh!
Binawi ni Jamie Malonzo, though. See what Rainer Shine can come up with bago matapos ang first quarter.
Yeah, that's a bumping foul. Yeah, that's it.
Foul counted, sabi ng ating mga referees. I-explain nila sa buong bench ng Rainer Shine kung ano ba nangyari doon. No, he's not gonna take that. Docomo 3. Gets it again. Second 3 of the game for Adrian.
Very simple play, but you have to be very quick as a defender to get in front of him because he has a pretty decent release. Now, quick. 15 na siya ngayon, baka 20 na siya by halftime.
Ayun na nga. Pwede lamang ng Ginebra. Lumalaki rin, Doc.
That was no goaltending violation. That ball wasn't going in anymore. It was
Kick to the corner. Scotty Thompson 3. That's good.
How many shots has he made from the left side of the corner of the court?
Docom steps through. Tries to put it on JB. Sabi ni Apple, 20 lang ako last time.
No, it's a foul.
That's a nice move from Thompson. And if you've been watching the games of Rainer Shine and let's say Phoenix, guys like Mitchell.
That's why they playing their half court a lot. Nice.
Scotty to Brownlee. What a setup. Scotty Thompson.
20 na, pare.
20 na, okay. Apple, okay ka na?
20 na eh.
Okay na si Apple. 20 points
na?
first half. Japet bobbled already, kaya naman nahabol siya. But then, no one else picks it up. And Japet nonchalantly gets in for the layup.
Parang naging assist pa yung block shot na yun dahil nagkaroon na easy layup. Datang atake nila kay Thompson.
Oh, look at that pass inside. Troy, another offensive rebound and a punta. Yan ang stats padding, look. Para kay Troy.
And he's like on a trampoline when he gets that second jump of his. Taas rin ng talon niya, kaya nakukuha niya yung offensive board. Papansin ang ginagawa niya ng tao. 3-point attempt?
4-point attempt, huh?
4-point attempt. I'm sorry.
May panibagong linya eh. Scotty K. Holt.
Oh, he
Quick
got away.
release. Yes.
He got away.
Bukas na bukas yung lane.
He got away with a good head and shoulder fake.
Nice read mula sa kanya, Doc.
First step was really good.
26 taken away, well, given away. Troy Rosario on the break. Two-hand slam for Troy. So we've got 2 Thompsons and 2 Malonzos, Doc.
Ow! In and out and in!
Pwede ba 6 daw yun? Kasi win na, umount pa, tapos pumasok ulit. 3 straight threes cuts the lead down to 20. And look at that. just creating, they're moving that ball around, and then baseline, he's trapped, goes out to Troy. That's a 3 for Troy.
Remember, he was open there also on the previous play in the third quarter, but Malonzo decided to take the shot. You should realize that Troy can shoot.
Brownlee for 4 again. Just a touch short. Oh, Scotty Thompson dipped it off the glass and got it to go. It's just crazy. And look at, I don't know, Coach Tim is smiling. Is it because he wanted a call, he didn't get it, or is it because his player is amazing? I don't know. It's really crazy now because... Oh,
Counted yun.
look at that.
He was
Aljon
already
getting on the... Wala na eh. Ganun na talaga, Doc.
Swerte. If you're luck, you're luck.
Tuloy sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado. Angat ang laban, everybody.